Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Dr. K's Academy. My name is Muslim Khan. In this video, we will learn about how we can set units and limits in AutoCAD. So for setting units, you have to type limits in the command line. You can see limits, then press enter. Here you can see limits specify lower corner. So for specifying lower corner, you have to give its value. So lower corner, this is the drawing area. So lower corner mean you have to give value to this corner, lower left corner, and up right corner you have to give value to this font. We need to assign value to only these two fonts, lower left corner and upper right corner. So for lower right corner, you have to type 0 comma 0, then press enter. Then let us limit specify upper right corner. Upper right corner means this point. So you have to choose this according to your drawing. So in my case, I have to choose this 40 comma 40. You can choose according to your drawings. So press enter. Now you have to Z enter and enter. Let me check our limits applied or not. So DLI enter. So you can see 37 almost 40. So our limits are applied. So now we have to set units. So for setting units, we have to type UN in the command line. Now you have to type press enter. Here you can see length, type decimal procedure. So for that you have to click on it. Here you can see different values, different types, decimal architecture, engineering professional and scientific. So you have to type, so you have to click on it. Here you can see architecture, decimal engineering. So you can choose according to your choice, but in my case, I want to choose architecture. So set precision. So I have to click on this one. Now insertion scale units to scale inserted content. So you can keep this units list as well. So in my case, I want to have drawings, measurement, and fits and inches. So I have to choose inches. You can choose foot, survey feet, miles, millimeters, centimeters, meters as well. So I have to choose inches. I need measurement and foot and inches. So that's why click on OK. Now you have to check it that's units shown or not. So we gently measure this. Now we have to check it. So unit are not shown. So what we can do now, you have to type D or temp style in the command line. You can see D. Now press enter. You can see here modify. Click on it. Now you can see units, decimal, unit format. So for that you have to type decimal unit format and select architectural, set a precision, click on OK, set current and close it. That we have to check that our unit applied or not. So we have to check it. So our readings are shown in red and increase. It's mean our unit applied. So this was all about setting limits and units to get. If you have any issue, then you can write in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.